be billionaire next 5 years later. I'm gonna be millionaire next 10 years later. I'm gonna make an empire of my life next 3 years later. I'm gonna make something, something, something. These next 3 years, 5 years from today, it's a stop. You have to think that tomorrow or next 1 hour, how can I be more better than my past 1 hour, my before the last hour how I spent, which would be more, which would be less improved, but the next 1 hour would be more productive, would be more improvement. So today I'm here with a great script, that is, you don't become successful in 5 years, because years are consisted of days, months. So when you work days, when you like, we see that years are so massive, but days are so little. So that when you compare, we always procrastinate. We say later, and the later becomes never. And you think that billionaires who are right now, you think the rich person, you think the successful person who is right now, they're built in a night, they're built in a day. It is their consistency on the sum of days, because 365 doesn't make a year. They don't get successful in a year. They work hard every damn day. And when, like, if you have $1 right now, and every single day if you save $1, 1 month later you have $30, don't you? Of course. Samely, if you work on a project, if you work on your passion, if you work on a topic, on a niche, what you like to do, like, this is the digital world today. So in a digital world, you want to be a video editor, you want to be a successful freelancer, you want to be a successful YouTuber. So how can you be like the $30 a month later? So that means you have to work hard every damn day. And you will say 30 days is so big, so from to rise to no. This can never be, because days makes time. Days. First of all, not days. We have got minutes. We have got seconds, hours, because every single times are making times. So if you utilize every single time, and it will be sum, it will be make a total, and later you'll see the a big bunch of success, like the $30 example. So the first core truth is, you don't have a motivation problem. You have a problem on how to be hard focused on, like, you have a focus infection. You don't you like get distracted easily. You always, you say yourself, just ask a question yourself, that is, the man what you're right now, did you dream of to be that man? Did you dream right now the man what you're now? Did you dream to be that? Never. You will say, I want to be something, just walking like a king. No, this is how you don't get built. The successful people don't see themselves. Hey, I'm working. I'm walking like a king. They don't see themselves. They work, boom, paid off. They work, fail. They work, fail. They work, sometimes give up, but again rise. Work, boom, paid off. They don't even know. This is how, because first of all, you have to find that what's your purpose on life. Did did your parents and God send you on this earth just to become unemployment and scrolling and wasting time? Did God send you for this? Never. Even even any animal will know this. So the second is, this day is over, but I can't say that, yes, to be tomorrow there are more 6 hours. So in the 6 hours I will do everything what makes me pleasure. Then from tomorrow I will be like a David Goggin, running by the side of beach. Then stay hard. It's not. That's how it not get built. First of all, you have to make a to-do list. You have to be concerned about that every single damn day is being wasted, is being a shit. Like you're being broke and you regret. You cannot sleep at night because of that. And now you're not being aware, and there's a problem because of this pleasure dopamine unit, which has gone so level up. So the point is, I'm trying to understand you. That is, first of all, you have to be concerned, you have to be conscious, you have to be motivate yourself, you have to be serious about your life. And you are sitting in a home in a bed and just scrolling. You mean that the world in there, but if you just go out and see the world how it's working, you'll be smashed. So first of all, you need to write that which things are making you regret, and you have to avoid that next day. If you can't avoid that, I am not saying you fully avoid that. Just like if you scroll Instagram for 2 hours, so you have to see that 1 hour. I'm not saying you completely. Then next day 30 minutes, the next day 10 minutes, the next day 5 minutes, and delete. So why not Instagram? Why not play Instagram? So why are you born to play Instagram? I'm not saying you to play Instagram. Of course, play. Whom are you following? Whom are you? The reels what you're watching of another's, they're incoming, not you. They, it is their it is their business that they're uploading reels and getting shit done. But here you are letting them improve their business, their markets, and I'm here advising you. You feel like a billion to me. So first of all, you have to list what things are making you regret, what things are making you loser days after days, because success is the sum of the days which is done day in and day out. I have heard that quote forever. Second is break the addiction loops. Your phone, it's your leash. Turn off all notifications. Use it only for creation, not for consumption. So put your ass in airplane mode because you're flying toward greatness. Then time block like a journal. You want discipline. A scheduled distraction. Block drawers, lock in. Even earthquake start, even a storm coming up, I don't care. I will just work, get done. In 2 hours later, I'll be given 10 push-ups, 30 push-ups. That's my reward, not playing GTA 5. Then build 3 wins a day, minimum. Like when you get there are the real tasks that move the needle, not ideas, actions. Edit the video, finish the course, pitch their service. Then eliminate emotional loops. Stop checking or stats like comments which texting you. That's it. You do push-ups. Your soul doesn't need validation; it needs execution and discipline. Consistency is very rare, and everyone knows that this kind of mindset will bring you success. And that is, you have to really dive. Like if anyone dive into Atlantic Ocean in the middle of the ocean, they can't make themselves safe. And similarly, you have to do like that. You want dopamine? Get it from crossing finish line or chasing pixels. Like if you get success, you will get dopamine a lot of. Today, once upon a time, if you play GTA 5, you have a lot of pleasures in your mind. But now, when you play GTA 5, you say same because you're not getting any new kind of things face in your life. So you don't miss days, you don't negotiate laziness. Treat yourself like a soldier because comfort is a trap and greatness is earned in discomfort. Stay well, and you say you want to change your life. So own this minute, not day, not hour, this minute, next 1 minute, what I'm gonna do, next 1 second later, what I'm gonna do. Own. You are born to be owner, not a slave. This is Bangladesh. I will say a lot of things about my country because I'm here just growing on my YouTube channel. And this video has been gone 10 minutes, so I need to quit. Hard mode, mission mode, distraction, deed, excuses, delete it. Because every day you execute is a brick your empire build a shit kingdom.